What's going on, everybody? This is MCMD in 100 Degree Studios out in Huntington Beach, California. Today I'm making a quick tutorial on how to use sends and why you would use them over just putting a plugin in the insert section over here. Okay, so first off, you're going to need to create a new aux track. You can go up to this top bar right here, click on track, and then go to new right there. In Mac, the key command is Shift Command N. So I'm going to do that real quick. Shift Command N. And you can go ahead and change mono to stereo. Go click here, audio track, change that to aux input. A quick key command for you guys: if you're holding command and you go right to left, it changes this between mono and stereo, and while holding command going down and up, it changes these through the different track types. So I'm going to have my stereo aux input. I'm going to go ahead and create this. Okay, so once you create that aux track, go ahead and rename that to what you're going to be using for your sanity. And then in this insert section of that aux track, click that first one and it'll bring this menu. Go to multi-channel plugin, bring in your plugin that you'd like to use. I want to use my reverb for this example. You go ahead and edit all of that in there. So this is where a lot of people get confused on how to get this reverb onto another audio track. It's pretty simple. Looking at the input output of this aux track that I have my reverb on, I'm going to go to my input right here, go down to bus. All these yellow ones are already being used. The white ones right here are ones available to be used. I'm going to click on this first one right here, 13 and 14. And then again, we're going to be renaming this for your sanity later down the road. Once you have 10 plus sends, it's just much quicker to have it all labeled. So you can leave this output the same to your main stereo output. Unless you're sending that to another send, then you're already beyond this video. Okay, so once you have your input set on your aux track, you'll now go to your audio track that you want the reverb to be on, and under the send section, you'll click on any one of these, go down to bus. I'll quickly find my reverb since I already had it labeled. Click on that. It'll bring up a fader which defaults at -infinity, so bring that up, and once you'll play it back, you'll see the levels. So there we go right here, and then you'll also see it right there. This is just a volume fader, so if you have any other plugins right there, it's going to bring the volume up of everything all at once. And that's how you use sends in Pro Tools. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If that was helpful to you, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or want some further explanations, put that down in the comments. I'd love to get back to you. If you have any suggestions for what I should do in the future, also put that in the comments. I'd love to get these tutorials out for you guys. My next video will be going into how to do delay automation, so you can just have delays at the end of lines instead of the full track being delayed, which a lot of people struggle with. Thank you again, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.